Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your OKX account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged in. Right now we are at this home page. At the top left corner you can see the 9 dots icon. You need to tap over there. Here you can see your profile icon. You need to simply tap over there. Now you need to go at the security option, scroll down a bit. There you can see the option close account. You simply tap over there. Now they will make sure that you permanently want to close your account or just freeze instead. So now here we will choose the option continue to close. Here they will be asking why we want to close our account. Here you can choose any option. You also have the option to choose at other reasons and write down your own specific reason. For this video, I am going to use the option I don't want to use OKX anymore. After you are done choosing your option, simply tap on continue. Again, they will be asking you if you really want to close the account or just freeze the account. Here we will tap on continue to close. Now they want to make sure that what happens once you delete your OKX account permanently. So all you have to do is read all the terms and conditions. They will also make sure that your phone number and your email will be unlinked. And all the orders, our pending orders, our withdrawals will also be cancelled. So make sure to read that all the terms and conditions and tap on the option I understand. After you are done doing that, tap on continue. Before closing your account, make sure to complete all the steps. After you are done completing the steps, simply tap on continue. Please ensure you fully understand the consequences before proceeding. Simply tap on close account. Here you will be getting two options, phone authentication and email authentication. Now to get the code, you need to simply tap on send code option. After you get the code, you simply paste it on the enter code box. Likewise, we also need the email authentication, so simply tap on send code. Now copy the verification code from your mail, come back and paste it. Now after you are done writing your verification code, simply tap on confirm. Here you can see that our account has been closed, and after we hit the OK option, we will be back to the home page again as a guest. So we need to tap on OK, and we are again back in the sign up or login page. And this is how you can delete your OKX account permanently. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.